Hi guys, welcome to Seven Ants Corner, and today I'm going to be showing you some photo frames. If you want to buy these, I put the link in description. So here are some. It comes with a stick. So it has two holes right here. The hole in the down is for putting it on the table, and the hole on the top is for putting it on the walls. So you need to drill a hole to put these in the walls. So I bought two. My mother bought a lot, like she bought 6, but it's for Nan and um, my family. So this is all I have for today. So bye.